I get a salad and a burrito? Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow. Yeah. To give. You guys are probably wondering where I'm at and what I'm doing. I'm tired, so I'll explain it tomorrow. All right, good morning. We're visiting my other friends, Amy and Paul. They're gonna be taking us on an RV to Missouri, and we're gonna celebrate New Year's out there. What are we gonna do? Well, stick around to find out. This is the RV we're gonna be taking. We got the RV and the trailer, which is pretty dope. Huh?
You owe me $10.
All right, this is a sick Airbnb. You come in here, there's the bunk beds. Over here in the corner, we got the shower. And then this area right here used to be a boat. So right now we're walking inside of a boat. Dining room, couch, fridge, kitchen. And then you come into here and you have the whole front area, which is pretty dope. Pretty cool.
Okay, so towels, hand towels, sheets, and then soap, all that fun stuff. And then, you know.
Do you not like being in the camera?
No, I don't mind.
Let's go find our little ride. Look at this boat. Look at this boathouse. Just come out here and bring random stuff out here to have fun with.
I don't know which ones you ever driven, but this is like opposite of what I'm normal to.
Really?
Like my park is forward on that.
Oh, the park is down on this. Dang, Paul. Put in work. Oh, this is big.
Watch, switch your fingers. Now we can pretty much kind of get them confused.
Pull this. All right, we got the lights set up for New Year's Eve. It's gonna look so much better at night. Quick little snack break.
Figure out what octane.
What is this?
It's gonna rain maybe, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Just,
Keep it dry.
a little
Ish.
drier, maybe. And the snow's probably back here somewhere.
Solo stove?
Well, you wanted one of each? New ones. So this guy right here owns all this property, and he just brought in a new boat. Nice. It's kind of dragging on the right. It's tipping, dude. Watch just the boat by itself. Oh my gosh. No. All right, I think that's enough riding for now. We're probably gonna go back, go cook some food, and then we're gonna party tonight. We set up the lights and got some drinks, so let's party. Let's do it.
Awesome. I love it.
Unbelievable. You would have never thought all that inside there.
Yeah.
Would you?
No.
I wouldn't.
Yo, check this out. Look how good this dog is.
Winston,
Throw it in the trash.
Get it. Come on, get it in there. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
what do you call it? Pastalaya.
Lisa, we've got more forks. I think this is it.
Take a picture of pastalaya.
Thank you.
I've never had pastalaya.
Yes, jambalaya.
Winston?
Listen, I'm gonna need you to throw this away from me, all right? Throw it away. Throw it away.
Good boy.
Good dog. Okay, we just got invited to go check out some caves, so let's go look at them.
French. Oh, here?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know why that's so cool to me.
We'll see if we
Wait,
come back
where's
with
Paul?
nine. You guys can sign a disclaimer right now.
Oh, stop.
Get a lot of money.
Is at least. I feel like I'm walking around with it.
Yeah.
I trust everybody in this group but hat.
There's a ballroom in the back. So whoever wants to
There's a bar?
there's
A ballroom.
an
Oh, look at
old
Winston.
ballroom.
Winston,
We're
this
going
little
in.
safety need.
But we got to go through a shelf about that tall, 2-3 feet tall, and real wide. And good.
That's a bat.
You can put it away now.
For fuck's sake. Don't kick anybody in the head. I'm in the mood.
Holy cow!
You good?
Yeah. You got it. You can go. Dude.
Easier?
It's not easy. It's not.
I want to explore. I want to explore that
Hey,
other hole.
behind you. What's behind you? Is this taser?
Why would you
Terry!
get a cave?
Don't go down there, babe. Terry,
What's down there, dude?
Two more little like
Caves?
mini caves. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm breathing in all this.
It's all about that baby call, dude.
This is a wet ground. Shit. I'm wearing my Louis Vuitton belt.
Did someone whisper to you to come in deeper?
Rattlesnake.
Why are you
don't worry about
laughing?
it.
Is it a rattlesnake? All right.
Rattlesnake, yeah.
watch your head.
Is it okay still? Is it still clean?
Oh my god. Who did you try to scare out?
Holy cow. Weird. Josh, you almost ran them.
Dude, I didn't ran on you. That was Winston.
Fell the.
Ventured off in there.
Cheers, baby.
Bart's like, oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Josh, no, we don't want to mess with this dog. That's not a dog, dude.
Dude, his tail is looking.
Today was so fun. We did a lot of things. We did the freaking side-by-side riding and the caves and everything. And you guys should stick around for tomorrow. Some guys are going to send it. Some guys are going to go fast. See you tomorrow.